mysterious screams. Residents reported that he heard a man yelling for help and that it appeared to be coming from the first floor. From the time the police arrived, according to them, screams.
The stress is that it is perceived as if the players are doing something that he didn't want them to do.
Yes, that's why I believe he got tense. I also think when he was asked about it a bunch of times in a row, he probably felt, I am giving you what I'm going to give you on this, and I'm not giving you.
Read text from wifey.
Wifey said and they usually let dissolvable. Would you like to reply?
Dude, fuck you. Fuck you. Read text from wifey.
Wifey said and they usually let dissolvable. Would you like to reply?
Dude, fuck you. Fuck you.
Are you good? Are you good? Yeah. Are you okay? Yo, he ran it, no? He ran it. Wow. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Is it us or him? No, it's him. Dude, it's green light for us. Are you dumb? It's fucking green light. You dumb? My green light. It was green. It was my green. It was green for us. Are you dumb? No, we have it all on camera. We have it on camera, buddy. You dumbass. Come on, man. That was... I literally have it all on camera. You're all on camera. But it was my green. But no, it was green for us.
Casino environment. And in a moment, I'll put his technique to the test by trying to cheat these unsuspecting...
What the fuck are we doing?